Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix missing DLL register and unregistered DLL files in Windows 10. So first step is you have to find whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. So click on properties. So as you can see, my PC is 64-bit, so I will download a 64-bit file. So if any DLL file is missing, you will download it from the dllfiles.com. So for this video, we will choose this file. We assume this file is missing. So file name is msv1160.cp10.dll. So I will download this file and I will show you the full step of how to paste this file and how to fix error. So we have to paste the file name in here, and now you have to click on the very first link, www.dll/files.com, and click on the file link. So now you have to scroll down and you have to download the 64-bit architecture file and click on download. So in this, as you can see, our file is being downloading. So after downloading the file, I will show you how to extract the file and how to paste the file in our system Windows 10. So please watch the video till end. So our file has been downloaded. So click on the file and click on extract to, click on OK. So this was the first step of extracting our file. Now I will show the second step. So we'll copy this file, DLL file, and copy. So minimize this tab. Now again we will go to this PC and we will go to local C where our file is being located. Now we click on Windows. Now we have to find system WoW 64. So here it is, WoW 64. We have to paste the file in here. So click on paste. Continue. So this was the first step. Now I will show the second step. So please watch the video till end. So now again you have to click on we have to find system 32. So here it is. So again have to paste the file in here too and skip the file. So as you can see, our file has been pasted in the designated folder. So this was all the steps to fix error. If you like my video, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.